Hello everyone. Today's video will keep you on the edge of your seat as we watch shocking and unexpected accidents, from horrific crashes to moments of chaos. Join us as we see just how dangerous and fragile life on the road can be. Drive safe to all of us. Don't get too close to trucks on the road, keep your distance. An accident occurred at the intersection between a silver car and a yellow car. The incident caused the silver car to flip over, but kindly the other drivers got out of their cars and saved the silver car driver who was trapped with his car. Help each other. This man was sleeping on the sofa in front of his shop, but suddenly a car hit the sofa. Luckily, the man was not hurt. This car was passing somewhere at night, but suddenly in front of it there were many men blocking it. It seemed like they wanted to loot. But the driver did not get out of the car and ran over the wood that the group of men had put down. If you were in a situation like that, what would you do? This man stood at the fence, then he left, but a few moments after he left, suddenly a BMW car crashed into the fence right at the man standing there. Luck is yours, bro. A shocking accident, the SUV hit a container being pulled by a double cab car, causing both to overturn. What was inside the tube on the car? Do you know? The tube suddenly exploded by itself. Fortunately, there were no fatalities. Still, be careful for drivers. It seems like this Mercedes car wants to drift, but what happened was it lost control and hit a tree on the side of the road. And this is the damage after the drifting error. A service car for a problem at home had a single accident that entered a resident's yard. Usually they solve problems, but this time they themselves are in trouble. Hopefully everything is fine, bro. Oops, opening the car door carelessly on the road is very dangerous. This man's car door was hit by another car. Always pay attention to your side when getting out of the car.
Are you serious?
A terrible incident, the bus suddenly detached both rear tires from the bus body. Before you travel, it is better to always check the condition of your vehicle. Being a truck driver is not easy. We have to master a very wide control area. Look at this driver's skills in parking his truck, it's amazing. Can you do that too? This driver took a sheep on the road without getting out of his car. Is he stealing? Or just joking? Comment below. This truck was hit by a white car at a traffic light. A few moments later, the goods it was carrying fell and hit another vehicle. This is what happens when you overtake a truck carelessly without looking at the road ahead. This car was clamped by the truck when overtaking it. Did these men intentionally destroy the car by crashing into it? Such actions are very dangerous for the safety of the man himself, even though he was wearing a helmet. Do you know what this man meant? Comment below. The back door of the truck was open and caused a car to flip over due to being hit by the truck door. Always check the vehicle you are driving. Oops. Shocking incident, a double cab car's tire came off and hit the car next to it. Really scary, always be careful. This truck is crossing the railroad tracks at a red light. If you don't obey traffic rules, you are also in danger. This truck wanted to cross the bridge, but suddenly the bridge collapsed. Why do you think the bridge collapsed? What is your response? An accident at an intersection between two cars and a motorbike, but fortunately the motorbike rider survived the collision. This truck is reckless on the road, don't copy it, bro. If the police see you, you will be ticketed. Oops, be careful, bro. Don't follow other people driving, believe in yourself and always be careful. It seems like the remote control gate is having an error. Look how tired this man is, he is busy holding the gate which is closing automatically. Thank you all for watching this video till the end. If you find this content useful, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to get our latest videos as soon as they are released. We strive and promise to bring you more high quality and interesting videos. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.